Hello and welcome along to another Blue Yonder video. Glorious day here in Wales today. Lovely Sunday for a ride out. As you can see, I'm out on the VFR again, so it's a VFR video. And indeed, that's the theme. The intention today is to ride up to Aberystwyth. There's a VFR, UK VFR Owners Club ride rally, for want of a better word, more of a ride out I think really, that started in the English Midlands early this morning, and they're due to be at Aberystwyth seafront at about 1 o'clock. So the idea is that I'll get there for about 1 and intercept them on the Interceptor. See what I did there? So without further ado, come on, let's get going because it's clouding over. Right on cue. Best laid plans and all that. Here I am on the prom at Aberystwyth. I'll just give you a quick panorama. Well-known bike meeting place. And as I say, I was expecting to see the VFR Owners Club. Well, I'm about 15-20 minutes late. So they may have gone, although I doubt it. I think probably like most group rides, it's probably running well behind schedule. Because at the moment, I'm the only VFR on the prom. Anyway, enough of that. Let's have a quick wander around and see what's here. The obligatory ninjas. And a nice old ZRX 1200. Always did like those. Pan Tracer 900 GT. Now that's potentially on my shopping list of replacement bikes for the R1200 should I decide to trade it in. Oh, look at this Ben Bostrom replica. Absolutely superb. SP2. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. Very nice. I always like the SP2. I don't think they're the easiest bike to ride. They certainly look the part. So. There we have the pier, such as it is. Not a very big pier. Not by comparison to most of the piers in the UK. Quick look at the beach. Some brave souls out in the sea. Mind you, I think they have got wetsuits on. Don't blame them. But yeah, let's have a quick look round again. See if there are any more VFRs have appeared while we've been down that end. And of course the VFR's parked alongside mine. Yes, good man. Hi there, have you come up for the VFR owners meet?
I have, yes, mate.
Yeah, me too. Only 2 VFRs on the prom.
That's yours?
Yeah, that's mine, yeah. Yeah.
No idea whether the others...
Well, it was supposed to be, I read it was me, you know, they were having lunch here at 1 o'clock, so they're probably running well behind, which is what usually happens on group rides, isn't it? Yeah.
Probably hundreds of them here any second now.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we'll see. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. It gives us time to get a coffee anyway, doesn't it, without having to rush around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, trying to spot the VFR amongst all the other bikes.
I know. I know, exactly, yeah. Well, I parked him, I thought, spot the VFR. I don't actually see any. Yeah.
So where have you come from?
I come up from Narberth. Narberth.
Oh, yeah, lovely part of the world.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm only from Aberystwyth.
Oh, right, so, yeah, nice little rundown for you then.
I'm on that ambulance, lifeboat crew.
Oh, right, so you're on call today?
Yeah.
Oh, right, so you don't get a call then?
So I've booked a couple of hours out. But,
yeah. Well, it's fairly calm out there, so, yeah. It's people going too far out, isn't it? Yeah. I know. Say, do you want to do a wheel swap? VFR 1200s don't count. Sorry. No. No. Yeah, like yours. And still they come. Percentage of 800s. So let's have a little walk round. The VFRs have finally arrived. Diavo, my mate Miles' favourite bike at the moment, I think. Lots of VTECs. And there's mine. Just saying to Jill, who's arrived, who sent me a message beforehand that they were coming, that mine is starting to vibe a little bit these days. Not sure what's causing it. Another nice one. There's a really nice VTEC in there somewhere. Nice blue one. Interesting yellow colour scheme on this. Oh, this is the blue one. Very small. Yeah. Just saying, I don't think VFR 1200s, I don't think they count, do they? Do they? Lots of very small 800s.
I'll give it off about 4 years.
I can never remember which generation number relates to which. I'd say there's about 30 or 40 up here. This is another nice and lovely clean one, isn't it? All 3 reg. Look how small that shop is. Clean. Real clean. Real shine to it. Quite the seat too. Well, there you have it. The Honda VFR Owners Club UK Wales 22 run and the meetup in Aberystwyth. Really nice to meet Hev, Jill and Lee, and great time was had by all, I think. Really good turnout. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like. Really massively helps, a like and subscribe massively helps with exposure on YouTube and channel growth, so that would be really appreciated if you could do that. That would be great. One other thing to note is at Blue Yonder I just don't do this YouTube malarkey. I also do trips and tours as well, and if that's the sort of thing that interests you, you might want to pop along to the website at www.blueyondermoto.com. Got a couple of really good Wales rides coming up which might be of interest to you. So until the next time, please remember, ride together, live free, over and out.